At the moment, to make use of all the tabs in DaVinci Resolve for iPad, it's necessary to use a keyboard. If you don't have a physical one, you can download the Bluetooth app for free on another device, as well as on the iPad. Then go to Settings, and in this case, the iPhone was automatically connected. Now open DaVinci. Press Alt plus Command plus key combination to open the Shortcuts window. Search Show Page. Select Edit and give it a comment. In this case, I will put Ctrl plus E, click on Save. Rename it. I'll just put a 2 at the end and close the panel. Now press Ctrl plus E on the keyboard and the Edit tab will appear. You can appear the rest of the tabs you find in the desktop version of DaVinci by opening the same window. Ctrl plus Command plus key. Search Show Page. And for example, I will assign a comment to the FAIRLIGHT tab. Can be Ctrl plus F. Save and close window. Now press Ctrl plus F and the FAIRLIGHT tab will appear. I will return to the Editing tab.